We've had a lot of questions about how to install wrap, what you get with it. So we're just going to go for a quick rundown. We're also going to go through the easiest processes and go start to finish wrapping this. Right, so what you get with the exhaust wrap is 10 meters of titanium wrap we're going to use for this. We do supply this in 5 meters, 10 meters or 15, but 10 meters should be enough for this. We also have 4 stainless cable ties that we're going to use. Because the ram horn's a little bit more complicated though, we might need a few more, but we'll see how we get on. You need some scissors for cutting the exhaust wrap as well. Metal snips for the cable ties, as scissors tend to be a bit of a pain. And most importantly, some gloves. You will get needles in your hand, fiberglass needles, and they're really not nice. Itches like hell, so probably a good idea. Okay, so we're just going to quickly open this. We also need our gloves. Probably put these on first. We're also going to need to soak this as well. I'll just spray some water on it. It helps to bind it to the exhaust a little bit easier and makes it a bit more pliable as well. So we're just going to quickly do that. If you just squish it in your hands, you can normally feel when it's getting a bit more supple and a bit more usable. I think I need a little bit more. Oh, that's starting to feel good. Okay, we'll go with that. Right, the ends on these are a little bit frayed. So most of the time you just want to cut the excess off just to make it a bit neater. And it's also a good idea to 45 degree the ends as you're installing it. If you 45 degree the ends like that, it'll just be a lot neater. You won't get any fraying or anything else. So that's always best practice. So you're going to want to measure out how many loops you need. If you just loop the exhaust wrap around it, and then just keep moving up and count how many you need as you're going around. By the time you get to the end, you should be able to cut it and use the correct amount. Let's go. So it's normally a good idea to overlap them by around ½ an inch. This stops everything from moving and it creates a tighter seal between them. I'm just going to quickly wrap these around now. Right, so most of that's installed. I just need to put some metal cable ties on and then move to the next one. Whoopee! Just as an example to show you anyway, you need to put the metal cable ties towards the base to stop it fraying. So anywhere around there is good. Same for the inside. Generally just at the edges really, right there. Right, let's carry on fitting this. So that's what it should look like, something like that. I'm now just going to go ahead and finish the rest of it. We do also, for this, we're going to have to use a few cable ties of these. So we do actually sell packs of 10 as well. I'll put the links in the description below for the exhaust wrap and cable ties. Right, now let's carry on. Usually when you go to install exhaust wrap, you shouldn't really need more than around 4 to 6 cable ties. This is obviously a bit more complex than that. If it was just like a standard like 4-to-1 manifold or something, then you can normally get away with just using 4. In terms of operating temperatures, this exhaust wrap can normally withstand up to about 1800 degrees continuous, which should be way more than the cylinders will ever push out. Right, we're now halfway through. Getting there slowly. The ram horn's probably a bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be to begin with, but we're definitely getting there. Right, let's do the second half. Right, we're all done. We just finished wrapping it. Went around a couple of times, had some extra, so we did some more. Normally you can get like fully into the collector, but this just didn't go very well. It was a bit of a pain, but we managed to get the rest of it done. If you have any questions on exhaust wrap, just let us know, and we will see you guys soon. Thank you very much for watching.